Hello, I'm Chetan. I was looking to build a house for myself, a beautiful house. So I was looking for people who I can trust and who can fulfill my dreams. This is where I came across Sarmount Group, and they helped me fulfill my dreams. When I approached Sarmount Group, I immediately felt the spark that they are the ones to help me fulfill my dream. The confidence which they had in their work, their experience, and also their attempt to understand my vision, my ideology towards how the house has to look. So I immediately felt the spark in them, and immediately I decided this is it, Sarmount Group it is. What I really like about Sarmount Group is the way they bring in uniqueness and professionalism in each and every aspect of the construction process. So, the way we conceptualized our designs, the discussions we had, I could easily put my thoughts, and then they would understand it, and then they give us a lot more ideas which are even better. And you can see in the way the interiors have been designed, the living room, kitchen, and also all the construction processes what we followed, everything was clearly explained, and the transparency what they have shown is really unmatchable. So, and it's I'm really lucky that I met Sarmount Group, and then we executed our the process of building my dream together. Talking about professionalism and the transparency the Sarmount Group offered, so let me start with the soil test. So they took soil samples, tested, and also suggested us to have a stronger foundation so that the building will be long lasting. And with coming to materials, they suggested different options what we have at different costs, and also the transparency what they showed in each and every transaction is very commendable. I'm really thankful that for the money put in every stage is worth the value. Coming to the costs, there was complete transparency. All the transactions were very clear and also without any confusions. So I'm really very thankful for the Sarmount Group to have done everything with a very transparent and professional approach. Just like anyone else with a dream, I approached many developers and builders. That's how I met Sarmount Group also, along with many other developers. With Sarmount Group, immediately I felt that the work professionalism, confidence what they had, and immediately I got a connect with them. I felt that comfortness where I could easily convince or easily make them understand my visions, my ideology, and their unique approach in each and every aspect. It really impressed me. I'm really thankful that I came across Sarmount Group, and I partnered with them to get my dream come true. The main aspects what we considered while designing the house was the ambient lighting, very big windows, and very good airflow, and also effective utilization of space, and also the convenience. So these were the aspects we considered, and I'm sure the Sarmount Group has delivered the best. With this, with loads of smile, I want to thank the Sarmount Group for helping me fulfill my dream of building the best house. And if anyone asks me for suggestion for the building their house, there will be no other option other than the Sarmount Group. So I thank with wholeheartedly Sarmount Group for helping me achieve my dream.